Best way to install 3 36 by 80 frameless mirrors onto wall. I am looking to put 3 large and heavy mirrors onto one of the walls in my room, and am looking for advice on several things. I put in a mirror rack on top of the baseboard and nailed it to the studs and drywall, and will put the hooks on top of the mirror. Will I also need to put adhesive, or will the rack be enough? Also, what would be the best way to lift and put on the mirrors to not risk it bowing and breaking? I tried to see if there were anything online on the installation process, but the mirrors shown are usually smaller and easier to carry. Question from user Lydia at Stack Exchange. Answer: the best way to lift a large sheet of glass is with a person on each end, carefully, each with one hand at a side to stabilize and another at the bottom to lift. The best way to do it solo, if you really must, depends on the situation, its size, your strength, where you are moving it from, and 2, whether you have to hold it in place while installing removing mounting hardware. Answer from user Keshlam at Stack Exchange.